It's a rainy day today. We outside, back at it. We got a truck that we gotta do batteries on. I wanna think it's this white one over here. I'm waiting on bro to bring me the keys. Yeah, I think we gotta get some new wire. Oh yeah, cause that's broke. So get some new leads. I don't think it should be that bad. Hopefully pop that off. Hopefully it's already crimped. We ain't gotta worry about crimping it. But we'll see once he get here. It is raining, so hopefully I let you too tired it. But you know, we'll see what's going on. Gotta wait for him. And yeah, let's get this shit done and over with today. Get out this rain. So real quick, we got the top positive battery side off cable. We also got another positive side cable, super corroded, both ends. This do have a fusible link to it. Obviously the pop if something go wrong, so we probably have to rewire that or at least crimp it down in here. Figure out how to get this off, because we might have to cut this and get a new bolt for this, but wasn't too bad. So now we just wire this back up, put that there. That go down to the bottom. This will go across to the top. Battery. Bada bing, bada boo. Easy fix. So hopefully they got these leads today. Don't know where we got to get them from, but we'll figure that out. Once he get here, I'm gonna cut this down so we can see what's in here. I'm gonna raise the blades.